G'day folks, and welcome to the Frustrated Dropshipper. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your page moderation option for your Facebook pages to hide comments that appear on your Facebook page that are not productive, I guess, to the growth of your page. So you'll find once you start selling online that you'll get random people posting, and it could be anything. Like, I've had people post on my Facebook page that they didn't get a product that they didn't even order from me, or products I don't even sell, and they're commenting upset that they ordered and they didn't get it. And obviously, if someone is on there saying that they ordered and didn't get it, that's going to look bad for other people that might be potentially wanting to purchase from you. And there's 1,001 different examples of why you might want to hide the comment for you to have a chance to fix the problem or respond to them. And I found over the last little while, and especially with the pandemic, people are not that patient, so they might be waiting for a product that you told them in your page, in your policies, in your emails, that's going to take longer than expected, but they don't care. They're going to go ahead and go on your Facebook page and complain that it's taken longer to arrive than they anticipated, or anything. It might be sauciness, rudeness, so whatever the case may be. I found that I just want to hide as much of the negative comments as I can, and then that gives me the opportunity to reach out to them and see if I can find out what's wrong, resolve their issues, or whatever the case may be. And if it turns out to be something I don't want to deal with because it's just someone being unrealistic, upset that they purchased from another seller and upset with me, for example, then I can just ignore it because it doesn't matter. The comment is hidden before anyone actually sees it. So, like I said, it gives you the chance to get in there and actually resolve the issue before the comment is seen publicly. So, without wasting any more time, basically what you want to do is go to your Facebook, go to your page, go to page settings, and this is the section that you want to be. Under the general tab, there is a page moderation section right here. Go ahead and click on that and open it. Now you can start typing in the phrases here, but I actually keep a Excel spreadsheet. Well, it's actually a comma delimited file, a CSV file with all the words that I want to ban, and I have a fairly extensive list of words to ban. Actually, I'm going to pause this video because I want to give actual credit to the person that I got this from. So let me pause this for a second. I'll be right back with you. Welcome back. So, as promised, the guy that I got the file from is Paul Lee. He was a member of a group, a Facebook group that I was also in, and he shared this file. He shared it across a few dropshipping groups, so it's quite free to give away, so I'm not taking any files away from him and try to pass them off as my own. So this file that I'm going to be sharing is provided by Paul Lee, and I've added a few extra words to it as well, but it's a pretty nice file that he's made over the time that he's been running his stores. So without wasting any more time, I'm going to go right back to my site, but I do recommend that you subscribe to Paul's channel. It's great. But let's get back to the business. So it's really easy. All you have to do is type in the words that you want to type in, or you just upload a file full of words. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Oh, crud. I closed it out. Hold on one second. I'm going to bring up my folder here on my side screen. I'm going to load up the file again. And here we go. All right, great. So as you can see, this is just a file of keywords, and they're all any type of keyword that someone might type in when they're not happy on your page. Included a bunch of misspelled words and mentioning of China junk, garbage, AliExpress, Alibaba, eBay, Wish, all those things where people will be commenting. Because I find people say like, I can buy that on Wish for $2 or things of that nature. And they're trying to tell other people, don't buy from here because you can buy it from there elsewhere for cheaper. So that's pretty much it. It's or they're saying like I ordered and I didn't get it, and a lot of it boils down to people not reading and things of that nature. Because I've listed that my shipping time could be just say a week, and they're writing 2 days on the Facebook page saying I didn't get it yet. They obviously didn't read the policy, so it's things of that nature that really can bring down your page, and it's much better if you just hide it long before you see it. So I don't want to waste any more time. It's a really simple process. All you have to do is go ahead and click on upload the file. Go ahead and find where it is located to. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this off to the other screen so I can navigate. And I have a pretty good idea where I hit it away to. So let's go back here and on this screen here and open up this file here. Perfect. So as you can see, once you click on the file, and you don't need me to show you how I clicked on the file. I just clicked upload and then I found the file and I clicked on. Once you click on the file, go ahead and add it adds them. Gee, I can't talk tonight. It adds them here, has a bunch of list of files. Then you go ahead and click on save. And now once the page reloads, now it's saved and all the words are here. And if anyone makes a comment on your page, they're going to automatically get hidden, and then you can go in and send them private messages and resolve whatever problem they're having. Or if it's really bad or it's not applicable to you, you can ignore them. But it gives you the chance to actually go ahead and do something about it before it becomes public, and then everyone is saying, yes, I got scammed as well, when they didn't even buy from you. So I apologize. That's it for this video. I apologize for the poor audio. I apologize that for some reason I can't speak tonight. I don't know why, but either way, it is what it is. So I'm going to end the video on this note. I apologize, and I hope you found the video useful. Have a great evening.